I just want to do a quick review of what I got from Temu. Okay, so I got this for $70 and I'm not sure if I'm getting my money's worth. Let's go through it and let's open up. So I got this from Temu, and if you would want to know the brand, this is it. So can you see it? It's a brand called Guangna. Not sure about the name. Okay, definitely Chinese. You know, the first impression that I do have for Temu is that they do have poor handling. Okay, so I can see this box. It's like all banged up. Like you can see that there's some damage here already. Not good. 120 of them. Let's see if we actually got 120 markers and see how it looks inside. So you get your swatches here. Supposedly if you've got markers and you would want to see the colors, like just be super organized in laying all those colors and making it easier for you to select colors when you're working, is that you do like a swatch board like this. All 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I'll be writing down the colors and do our swatches. Like I already started with a few colors already. I like the coverage of this marker. So let's just mark it down. 7, 2, 3. What I'm picking up. Okay, this one is 704. You know, some of those markers you really have to jam them in if you're using it for the first time. Surprisingly, this one, it's like you'll use it directly. So guys, see, I wouldn't have done these swatching, I wouldn't know that this color, I'll show you this, on the same material of my sketchbook, on their print it shows like this, 706, and this is how it looks like on the material where I'm drawing. It will be beneficial for anyone to, like, if they bought a new set of markers, that they have to do this swatching on the same material where they would want to work on. Like I'm looking forward to fill in this sketchbook, so for my reference in the future I just go through these numbers pick up the colors, it'll be easier for me, and I won't be surprised with, you know, there's a lot of surprises when it comes to colors when you're actually working on them. So that looks like almost a yellow, but 703 is like a warmer yellow.